Hello and welcome back. Today I want to show you how I connect ears. With this pattern you can use one color or two color for the ears. If you used only one color, they will look like this. And if you use two colors, I would suggest to use the contrasting color up front for the design to be more visible. But you can use in the back as well because you can arrange those ears any way you wish. I usually place my ears on the angle and I try to start connecting on the top of the head from the second round. So I want to be sure that there is a space between them. It's like the first and second round. And I'm sorry, I kind of went away from the camera. What I did, I just attached the first stitch. So now I'm going around, and because the ear is hollow, after a few stitches, I want to squeeze that bottom to make more rounded, just like that. And I want to attach again every single stitch, so there is no difference how I am attaching. It's just the stitch placement. And with this hollow piece, you can make more round or more flat on the bottom. And that also will be the difference, how the bunny will look like. My second step will be attach with few stitches my second ear. I found this very important part because then I can play with both ears and making sure that they are symmetrical. And as you see, I'm going with this one clockwise, and the other one I'm attaching counterclockwise. So it does not matter which way you go, you just want to be sure that once they're attached, they look pretty to you. And when you work in both ears, it's so much easier. If you do not like the way they look, just remove your stitches and start again, placing them a different way. Remember, always do not hide the ends, do not cut the yarn until you completely satisfy how each piece has been attached. And as you see, I'm switching between one and another, and that will give me kind of idea where the stitch is supposed to go. And remember also too, you need to use all the stitches. You do not want to have any gaps. By keeping the ears hollow, you allow them to be more playful. You can bend them, you can twist them, so your bunny does not need to have always the same shape of ears each day. And that's what is so nice about having them or keeping them hollow. Let me attach a few more stitches and I show you how playful those ears are. Almost there. I think I'm done with this one. We can bend them forward, backwards, and we can actually twist them to the side. One more thing, when your yarn tail is so short, I strongly suggest make a knot at the end and then hide the end. And that's what I have to do here. My tail was too short. Always kept the tail a little bit longer. I did actually mistake and I kept it too short. And one ear is done. I need to attach the second one, and after that I need to connect the legs. If you like to see how I connect legs, check this video. And that's it. Look at that. Our ears are up and ready for play. As I mentioned, you can twist, you can bend, you can do many different things with this bunny. I hope you enjoyed this project so far. See you next time.